Hello everyone, I am Dale Gainey, sales engineer with RCOM Digital. In this video, I'd like to demonstrate for you how to create hubs and how to adjust those hub boundaries. Once you have access to your QualmSnare Manager server, we'll go into the Settings menu, select the System Settings tab. This will bring up the system settings selections, and the first one there you see is the list of hubs. First thing you want to do is add to the list of hubs the new hub. So we're going to click add there and then select yes. So we're going to name this hub. Hub IP, site ID, PSID, plant miles, street miles, address, the detection profiles as well for that particular hub. All this information can be added at a later date. So for this example, we're just going to be adding the hub itself. So we're going to click OK here. It's just giving us a warning that we're going to need to create the boundary here for the hub, adjust the boundaries. So we'll go ahead and close that. And just to verify, we can go back in to our settings, system settings, list of hubs, and scroll down. And we see that the hub has been created. Now, side note, you notice that the name of the hub there is grayed out. That just simply means we have not created boundaries for that hub. So let's do that now. Go ahead and close this. Now, once we have created the hub name into our server and we want to add it to the maps, find the location on the map where you want to place the hub. We're going to go to the Database tab, select Edit Hub Boundaries. And do you want to edit hub boundaries? Yes, I do. So what I'm going to do here now is over the area that I want to place my hub, I'm just going to right-click, create hub boundary point, and we're going to go through here and pull out that name that we created. And there you go. It has created just a draft hub. Put the hub in the server on your map, so now it's physically placed on your map. So now that we have the hub created and named in our server, now let's adjust hub boundaries. Still in the Edit Hub Boundary menu, and if you'll notice the points here, as you hover over them, you get the crosshairs. You can left click on those crosshairs and drag the points of this boundary out as such. So if you want to add other points to hypothetically bring this area into our hub, what you want to do is just hover over, put the crosshairs on one of the points, and I right clicked there, and we want to add a point. So I'm going to left click to add a point, and as you see, a point was added there, and you can left click and adjust that point as necessary. You can add as many points as you would like, adjusting your boundaries as necessary. Also, if this is new plant, new hub, new plant, new nodes, please forward your boundary files to RCOM so we can add those node files to the QualmSnare Manager. Once you have completed your desired results, we're going to go back up to the Database tab. We're going to close Edit Hub Boundaries. Yes, we want to save changes. And as you can see, the points went away. Your boundaries have been saved. Bringing a hub boundary closer to a node boundary is easily done as well. If you want to go to the Database tab, select Load your node boundaries. Of course, this will outline your nodes. Then we can go to the Edit Hub Boundaries. Yes. And if you zoom into an area that you would like to change those boundaries, for instance, if we want to move this boundary closer to this node and maybe a boundary closer to this node boundary, you start here at the hub point. If you'll grab that, you'll notice that it will separate those boundaries, and you can move it closer. You can take each one of those points. And, it looks like a single line, but it is separated. There's individual hub boundary lines. So you can move those closer as you desire. And all you have to do is go back to Database and close the Edit Hub Boundaries tab. Save your changes. For more information on all of our products, please visit our website at arcomdigital.com and or contact your regional sales engineer.